guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share this very wearable nude makeup look with nude eyes and nude lips, which is very easy to recreate, and you can use some basic makeup products to create this look. It's a very wearable look which will be working for everyone out there. I'm going to show you each and every step of doing this makeup look. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So as usual, I have well moisturized my face, and today I have used this REEQUILCERAMIDE and hyaluronic acid moisturizer, which is actually meant for dry to very dry skin, but it performs really well on my combination skin to restore the dryness of my skin. Now it's time to do my brows. I'm going to take a spoolie. I'm going to just brush it through my brows, brush it upwards and then brush it down to know the natural shape or the natural line of my brow. Now for the actual brow product today, I'm using this Europe Girl Paris a 3D Sculpt Eyebrow Kit, and I'm going to take the middle shade from the palette, and with the help of the applicator it comes with, I'm going to outline my brow at first and are going to fill it in. So this particular product is very easy to use. It's a very hassle-free product with which you can definitely do your eyebrows on an everyday basis. It's very pigmented, a little goes a long way, and you can just put some strokes in your brows to make your brows look really put together and nice. So I'm also doing the same thing on my left eyebrow, as you can see, also filling the front part of my brow like this, and it's looking quite good. Now I'm just taking my spoolie and going to evenly distribute the product on all over my brows so that everything looks even out and nice. Taking a little bit of concealer on my flat shader brush, I'm going to clean out the edges so that my brows look really prominent and nice. I'm not using a lot of concealer this time because I want this look to be really fresh and nice. So you can see this is how my brows are looking now. For the primer today, I'm using PAC Oil Control Primer, which is actually meant for oily skin beauties, but it performs really well on my combination skin. It helps in mattifying my skin, but it doesn't look overly matte on the skin. It doesn't feel matte on the skin. It works really well on my combination skin to provide hydration to the skin. As you can see, I'm just applying it on all over my face. It's a very nice smoothing primer which you can definitely use. So for the foundation today, I'm using this new L'Oreal Infallible 24 Matte Cover Foundation in the shade Caramel Beige. And the shade looks really light on my skin now, but don't worry, it just oxidizes crazily on my skin. It becomes 2 shades darker after some time. So you can see it's a complete 100% matte foundation, which I don't like. I don't like this kind of finish of foundation. I just want healthy looking foundation on my skin. It's a very matte foundation which will be working if you have very oily skin. For the concealer today, I am using Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Beige, and I'm putting it just in the inner corner of my eyes and in the outer wing of my eyes, around my nose, in the center of my nose, a little bit on my forehead. And using this foundation blending brush, I'm going to blend this in. Since I have used a very mattifying foundation today, so I'm using more like a healthy looking concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, but it looks very healthy on the skin. It's one of my favorite concealers, guys. I really like it. As you can see, I have put the concealer on and it's looking quite fresh and healthy. Now to set my concealer today, I'm using this compact powder by Faces. It's a perfecting press powder, and I'm using the shade Beige, and with the help of this powder brush, I'm going to just set my eye area, as you can see, just a little bit on my forehead, around my mouth. I'm not going to set my overall face because today I have used a completely 100% matte foundation. Now it's time to do my eyes. I'm taking this eyeshadow crayon by K-Beauty in the shade Glory. It's a matte eyeshadow crayon which I'm going to use as a base for my eye look. So I'm just applying it on all over my lid. You can use a brown eye pencil for this look as well. Now taking a pencil brush, I'm going to blend out that crayon on my lid. As you can see, it's a cool tone brown shade, guys, which performs really well for creating nude kind of makeup look. Using my fingertips, I'm going to again blend it out like this to make everything looks really smooth and nice. Now for the eyeshadow palette today, I'm using NYKAA's Just Twink It eyeshadow palette in the shade Double Chocolate Chip, and I'm taking this cool tone brown shade, neutral tone brown shade basically, and I'm going to apply it on all over my lid. So I have used that crayon as a base for my eye look, and on top of that I'm applying this eyeshadow, and it will be sticking really well on my eyelid. Now taking this light brown shade, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend that shade on all over my crease like this, and blend out the edges really well so that everything looks nice and there is no harsh lines. Now I'm taking this burgundy toned brown shade from the palette, and with the help of a more like a buffing crease brush, I'm going to apply it just in the outer corner of my eye and drag it towards my crease and blend it really well with my crease shade. You can use a dark chocolate brown shade for this purpose as well. Make sure that you create some kind of depth on your eye so that it looks much more even out and nice. Now using a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend out the edges. I haven't taken any sort of extra product on the brush. Taking this eyeshadow crayon again, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line like this. You can use a brown eye pencil. I am not using it on my waterline, as you can see, and going to blend out that crayon with the help of this light brown shade and apply it very nicely on all over my lower lash line like this. I'm going to create a kind of depth using this dark burgundy brown kind of shade from the palette, and going to apply it just in the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line like this with the help of a pencil brush. And you can see everything is looking really put together and nice, and I'm going to just merge it with the outer corner of my eyes. Taking this foundation brush, I'm going to clean out the edges. For the kajal today, I'm using this Faces magnetized kajal and going to tightline my upper waterline with it. You can use any black kajal you have, and it is a very affordable one, and it's jet black, works really well. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use a nude eye pencil, my favorite nude eye pencil of all time. This is the PAC Long Lasting Kohl in the shade Skin, and using a nude eye pencil works really well in making your eyes look really open. For the liner today, I'm using this new launch by Faces Canada. It's her Magnet Eyes liquid matte eyeliner, and today I'm creating a very small little cute winged eyeliner with it. It's matte, it's a black, and it's very long lasting, guys. I'm really liking this product, and you can see I've created a little wing which is looking really nice, and it's very wearable. So you can definitely just add a little more precision and create a small little wing, which will be definitely looking amazing on you. For the mascara today, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I'm going to coat my upper and my lower lashes with it. It's my favorite mascara of all time. It adds such nice volume to my lashes, helps in separating my lashes so well. You can leave this eye look up to here, but since for the sake of the video, I have applied a pair of O's. I have applied my staple PAC Mink eyelash in number M75, and this is how the eye look turned out. Now it's time to bronze up my skin, and I'm using this MYGLAMM Pro Pose HD Bronzer Duo, and I'm going to mix these two shades, and with the help of a contour brush, I'm going to slightly bronze up my skin, basically slightly contour my face, and not using a lot of contouring product. Otherwise it will be looking really harsh. I just want this look to be really nude and subtle and nice. So I'm applying it just under my cheekbones to add some shape to my face, and also going to contour my forehead and my jawline, and also going to contour my nose a little bit. But don't use a lot of muddy looking contouring product on your face, otherwise it will be looking really harsh. And you can see this is how my contoured face looks like. For the blush today, I'm using my current favorite blush. This is the K-Beauty matte blush in the shade Soft Nude. Beautiful warm peachy brown nude blush, going to work on everyone out there. So soft, the texture is amazing, and this particular blush works on an everyday basis for everyone. And you can even pair this with your smoky eyes and intense very bold eye looks. Love it how it actually blends on my skin. Love how it is actually looking with this kind of eye look. So for the highlighter today, I'm using MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Whisper of Guilt. I love MAC highlighters, and this is such a pretty warm champagne gold sort of highlighter with hints of rose gold as well, going to work on all Indian skin tones. And I love how it actually looks on my skin. You can see I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and going to take it a little bit on my cheeks as well. And this actually helps in making my face look really glowy and nice. Going to apply it on my nose, on my cupid's bow, forehead. MAC highlighters are amazing, guys. You're going to love, because these are not having chunky glitters. These doesn't emphasize the texture of your skin. You're going to love MAC highlighters. So I'm going to also highlight the inner corner of my eyes with the help of the same highlighter, and also highlighting my brow bone with the help of the same product. And I love how it actually looks on my skin. You can see it's looking really subtle yet a lot of glowiness going on. Love this particular shade, it's amazing. Now I'm just removing the excess lip balm with the help of wet wipe and going to neutralize my lips using some compact powder with the help of the foundation brush. For the lipstick today, I'm using NYKAA Lip Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Seduction. Beautiful, beautiful nude shade, warm peachy nude shade having brown undertone. Going to work on all Indian skin tones, performs so well on the lips. It has got a kind of tingling sensation on the lips, which makes my lips look really plumped up, nice. It's so long lasting, 100% matte finish, yet so comfortable to wear. You can wear this particular shade with your intense smoky eyes, or on an everyday basis you can have this lipstick on your lips. You're going to love it. It's very long lasting, appears so well with this kind of nude eye look, neutral eye looks, and I love it. I'm going to try out some new shades from this range and you can definitely try it. Now to set my face, I'm going to use this PAC Fixation makeup setting spray. I'm going to spread this on all over my face to just set my makeup, and you can see this is how my face is looking now. My makeup is complete and this is how the final eye look turned out. So this is a finished look, guys. This is how I have created this very wearable, easy nude makeup for you. I hope you really like this video. Make sure you hit on the like button and subscribe to my channel for getting more of these videos. I love you so much. Bye guys.